Welcome to the next episode of Chartered Accountant's Pen. Today, we'll discuss about cryptocurrency so that a layman could understand it. Imagine money that only exists online, like digital files. That's cryptocurrency. It's secured by complex math codes called cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike regular money issued by governments, cryptocurrencies run on a decentralized network. This means no single bank, company, or country controls it. Think of it as money for the internet age. Picture a public digital notebook that records every transaction. This is the blockchain. When you send crypto, that transaction is grouped into a block with others. Computers worldwide, called miners or validators, solve math puzzles to verify these blocks. Once verified, the block gets added to the chain permanently. Everyone can see the transactions, but your identity stays hidden behind codes. Why choose crypto? First, fees are tiny since there's no bank taking a cut. Sending money across borders takes minutes, not days. Anyone with internet can use it, no bank account needed. Transactions don't require your name or address, offering more privacy. Plus, it's immune to government interference or inflation in unstable economies. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, is like digital gold. People hold it as an investment. Ethereum goes further. It runs apps and smart contracts, self-executing agreements. Stablecoins like USDC are pegged to real-world assets, e.g., the US dollar, making them less volatile. Thousands of cryptos exist, each with unique uses. Ready to try crypto? First, download a digital wallet app, your personal vault for crypto. Next, buy coins via exchanges, like Coinbase, using your credit card or bank account. To send crypto, paste the recipient's wallet address, a long code. Always double-check addresses. Transactions can't be reversed. Stay safe. Crypto prices can soar or crash overnight. Never invest more than you can lose. Scammers create fake websites or emails. Always verify sources. If you lose your wallet password, your crypto is gone forever. No customer service can recover it. Treat crypto like cash. Exciting but risky. Thanks for watching Chartered Accountant's Pen. Please subscribe, like and share for more information.